And while you say the market is expensive, it does seem that it's been driven by these companies which are growing very quickly. So Nvidia, so I think it was like 60% earnings growth, and other companies like that. Even though they are probably overvalued, they are growing. Do you think this time could be different? They're making billions of dollars. They're growing at a fast rate, or do you think it always comes to the point where there's a wall and they can't continue to grow?
Well, they used to tell me that about Cisco in 2000, and it went from 82 to 8. So I remember Sony in 1995 was the stock, everything you owned. And if you were anybody at all and you had to have everything was Sony headphones, Sony recorders, Sony Walkman, Sony CD player, and everybody was like, Sony will never go bad, and went from basically 155 to 10. These things have a life of their own a lot of times, and then they go away. And so most of the whatever growth you're expecting in the likes of Nvidia and that type of company is probably already in the stock. That doesn't mean it can't go higher, because speculation can really run long and hard, but it probably is in the stock at this point. And you have to think, well, what could I make over the next 10 years from this company? What would it do? And since everything is tied to AI, I mean, everything you open up now is AI. Well, AI is not going to always put groceries on the table. I'm not certain it wouldn't help a lot of things, but there's a lot of things it won't help as well. And I think we've gotten caught up in it.